In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show WooCommerce products on your homepage. Whether you're showcasing your best sellers or highlighting featured items, adding WooCommerce products to your homepage can enhance customer experience and boost sales. Let's dive in and follow these simple steps. First, we'll begin by editing your homepage using the Gutenberg editor. If you're not already on it, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Locate the Pages tab on the left-hand menu and select your homepage from the list. Click Edit to bring up the Gutenberg editor, where we can start customizing your site to feature those WooCommerce products. Once you're inside the Gutenberg editor interface, the next step is to add a new block. Look for the small plus icon, usually located at the top left or within the space between existing blocks. Clicking this icon will open a panel with a multitude of block options available to you. In this panel, you'll want to search specifically for a WooCommerce block. WooCommerce provides several blocks tailored for different purposes, such as featured products, best-selling products, or product categories. Simply start typing WooCommerce into the search bar or scroll through to find the option that best suits your need. Click to select the WooCommerce block of your choice. Now that you've added a WooCommerce block to your page, it's time to configure its settings according to your preferences. This could include specifying the number of products you want to display and setting the number of columns. Tailoring the display can make a significant difference in how visually appealing and user-friendly the products appear on your homepage. For example, you might want to show 4 featured products in 2 columns for a balanced look. Take your time to experiment with different settings until you're content with the outcome. With your settings customized to your liking, you're now ready to make these changes live on your site. To do this, you'll need to update or publish your page. If this is the first time you've set up your homepage, look for the Publish button. It'll be on the top right corner. Otherwise, if you're making changes to an already published page, the button will say Update. Click it to apply your changes, and they should now be visible to any visitors to your site. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully learned how to feature WooCommerce products on your homepage. Not only does this make your products more visible right from the first glance, but it also enhances your site's functionality and design, potentially leading to increased engagement and sales. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.